Ramp it up, fix it up. This Labour Day we are clean it up. Ramp it up, fix it up. This Labour Day we are clean it up. Build ramps in schools, busy health centers. For the young and for the elders. Paint the fence, make the place enhance. Access for all to every entrance. Island wide is an island wide.
The foundations of the modern Jamaican nation is built on the struggles of the Jamaican worker. Indeed, the labor movement, which evolved out of the 1938 labor riots, also created the first viable platform on which ambitions for nationhood and later independence could be launched. It was the issues affecting labor and the working class that galvanized the masses, and out of which leaders like St. William Grant, Father A.G.S. Coombs, Ken Hill, Florizel Glasspool, Norman Manley, and Alexander Bustamante would emerge to eventually lead Jamaica from colonial state to an independent nation. Today, we take time out to salute those, past and present, who have worked tirelessly to secure the rights of workers and made tremendous sacrifice to lay the foundations upon which we now build. We commemorate them through the activities of Workers' Week, and we exemplify their work and sacrifice on Labor Day by giving of our labor and time to a project or a cause that will advance Jamaica. I want to thank all corporate citizens, voluntary groups, and individuals who are joining together to collectively improve our country. This Labor Day, we'll be placing special emphasis on our brothers and sisters who may be living with various mobility disabilities and challenges. As a nation, we must ensure that no one is excluded because of inadequate facilities to support their mobility. Our theme this year is Ramp It Up, Fix It Up. We will be installing ramps in 126 schools across Jamaica to facilitate access. We will also be fixing up and improving access to our health centers across Jamaica. In the same way, we are ensuring that all Jamaicans can have physical access and mobility by building ramps to public buildings. So it is that your government is building economic ramps to employment, which will give you social mobility. The thrust of the government's economic policies continue to advance the welfare of our workers and to improve Jamaica's standard of living. It is the goal of this government that no one is left behind and that there is equal opportunity for every Jamaican to use their God-given labor through meaningful employment to self-actualize. I've always maintained that a job is independence in your hands. We are encouraged by the improved employment figures. More Jamaicans are now employed than any other time in our history, giving our people a real chance at their economic independence, a real chance to step up in life. The unemployment rate has fallen from 13.7% in April 2016 to 9.6% as at January 2018. Of note, the youth unemployment rate declined, moving from 31.2% in January 2017 to 23.8% in January 2018, representing a decrease of 7.4 percentage points. The government will continue to work tirelessly to improve these figures, spur economic growth, and secure our economic independence. Our national hero, the Right Excellent Sir William Alexander Bustamante, said, "Let us resolve to work together under the law to build a Jamaica which will last and of which we and the generations to follow may be proud." During this Workers' Week and Labor Day period, I urge us all to carry on the noble struggle for economic independence, to be diligent and creative with our God-given labor to create value for our well-being and service to our fellow men. Let us ramp it up and fix it up as we make Jamaica the best place to live, work, and raise our families.
Hey! Ramp it up, fix it up. This Labour Day we are clean it up. Ramp it up, fix it up. This Labour Day we are clean it up. Build ramps in schools, busy health centers. For the young and for the elders. Paint the fence, make the place enhance. Access for all to every entrance. Island